A rowing machine is a solid addition to anyone's at-home gym, and if you only have space for one machine, this is a good option thanks to the full-body combo of strength and cardio. Rowing machine workouts can be tailored exactly towards your goals, from hardcore workouts to mellow cross-training days. Rowing workouts are low impact, and when done correctly, the movement activates more muscle mass than other forms of exercise such as cycling or running, though we're big fans of adding indoor spin bikes, power towers, and recumbent bikes for shaking up the indoor workout routine. If the rowing machine is your top pick, get ready for a full-body workout that engages your back, arms, quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Number 1. Concept 2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine. This is one of the best-selling rowing machines on the market, used by gyms and fitness centers all around the country. This is a durable, dependable machine and comes recommended by athletes cross-training for a variety of sports, not just rowing. This has a basic monitor partially powered by the rowing action, adjustable footrests, and a smooth, quiet flywheel. This breaks down into 2 parts for storage, and the aluminum I-beam monorail and stainless steel track offers a smooth back and forth slide without catches. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine. The magnetic resistance keeps this rower on the budget-friendly side of things without compromising too much in the way of construction and materials. The slide rail is 48 inches long, which can work with rowers of almost any height. This machine has 8 different levels of resistance, and a small LCD console that tracks time, calories, and rowing count. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame, the rowing machine ensures durability and stability during even the most intense workouts. The oversized, textured foot pedals with adjustable straps provide a secure and comfortable fit, allowing you to focus solely on your rowing performance. The cushioned seat and non-slip grip handlebars enhance comfort, enabling you to row for extended periods without discomfort. Enhancing the versatility of your fitness routine, the rowing machine is compatible with the optional Sunny Fit app. This exclusive app offers a variety of workout programs, tracking capabilities, and motivational content, making it easier than ever to stay engaged and on track with your fitness goals. Number 3. Stamina ATS Air Rower 1403. This sturdy rower is a steal of a deal for an air resistance machine. It has built-in sensors on the grips that measure your heart rate. A small screen will display the data, plus speed, distance, time elapsed, and estimated calories. The rower folds up for storage, and the seat is ultra-padded and comfortable. Despite the lower price, this is a durable rowing machine with a smooth rail and fluid movement through all phases of the rowing motion. Since this is solely an air resistance machine, the increased resistance comes from your rowing, not from manually dialing it up or down. Enhance your fitness journey with the included Smart Workout app, which offers tailored workouts, progress tracking, and motivational content to keep you inspired and on track. The large, easy-to-read LCD monitor displays essential workout metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned, allowing you to monitor your performance in real time. Number 4. Water Rower Rowing Machine Ash. If a rowing machine was going to be a statement piece in your house, this would be the one. Built from sturdy ash and oak, this machine has a water flywheel for actual water resistance. This is fully self-regulated, so like air resistance, you don't turn a knob up or down to change the resistance. It has a simple performance monitor that displays stroke rate, heart rate, distance, and speed, and the solid construction absorbs a good amount of noise and vibration during use. The wood types are chosen for their ability to absorb sound and the incredible dimensional stability. This machine can be stored upright, but it doesn't fold or collapse. The water rower is also designed with convenience in mind. It features a space-saving, upright storage capability and transport wheels for easy mobility. This rowing machine is perfect for users of all fitness levels, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, seeking a reliable and efficient way to enhance cardiovascular fitness, build strength, and improve overall health. Number 5. Echelon Smart Rowing Machine. This model from Peloton competitor Echelon has an incredibly durable construction, a stable rowing platform, and 32 silent magnetic resistance levels. This model doesn't come with its own screen, but it has an adjustable device holder that swivels and pops off the machine for when your connected Echelon classes take you off the rower and onto the floor. This rowing machine comes with a free 30-day trial of all of Echelon's classes, including a variety of rowing classes for endurance, speed, intervals, and changing resistance levels based on scenic rides from around the world. And while it's not necessary to enjoy the machine, after the first month you'll be on the hook for the membership. The Echelon Row is a premium indoor rowing machine designed to elevate your home workout experience. This state-of-the-art rower offers a comprehensive, low-impact workout suitable for all fitness levels. Number 6. Sunny Health and Fitness Obsidian Surge. This sleek water resistance rowing machine performs with a similar feel to water rowing machines that cost twice as much. The speed of the 16 fan blades determine the resistance through the water, which gives the feel of rowing outdoors. Some people might miss the resistance accuracy of mechanically changing the resistance, though the tension of pulling through real water is hard to beat. The company's reliable R2 fitness meter tracks the basic metrics of time, strokes, calories, and your 500-meter time. This rower weighs more than others on this list, but can still be folded up for easy storage upright against the wall. Hydro blades are built to endure vigorous rowing strokes and will keep up with multiple levels of water resistance. The paddles rotate and push against the water while withstanding water corrosion and damage. Constructed with lightweight sturdy steel, for solid performance and durability. The 16 hydro blades mimic the dynamic movements of competitive rowing. Number 7. Nordic Track RW900 Rower. Tap into iFit's full array of group classes with this higher-end rowing machine. This machine features a 22-inch touchscreen, on-demand classes, and has options for strength and cardio classes as well. The RW900 rower has 26 resistance levels, and we love that it's either manual air resistance or programmable magnetic resistance. These levels can be programmed to automatically adjust based on training needs as well as simulating real bodies of water. This rower can fold up when not in use, and is also Bluetooth compatible. Hop off the rower and follow your trainers to participate in high-powered, cross-training workouts designed to get you moving and feeling good. Follow your favorite iFit trainers on the River Thames and other iconic waterways around the world, all while receiving instruction on your form. Stream high-energy rowing classes with personal trainers in a motivating and empowering atmosphere anytime you want. In both studio classes and global workouts, your iFit trainers will automatically adjust your resistance to optimize your workout. Number 8. Hydro Connected Rowing Machine. Sleek, modern, and quiet, this Hydro rower offers a top-of-the-line aesthetic and rowing experience. Hydro has developed an updated pull feel, which they say is closer to the feeling of being out on actual water. It has a 22-inch touchscreen and their patented drag mechanism is electromagnetic, controlled by a computer to give it that realistic feel. It has wheels for moving around when not in use, and stores upright, though you'll need to purchase an additional storage kit for vertical storage. This machine has interactive workouts and classes, also for an additional fee. The cost of the machine comes with a free home installation as well. The Hydro rower features a 22 inches HD rotating touchscreen display and front-facing speakers that instantly takes you to Scandinavian fjords, the wilds of Alaska, and beyond. Your membership unlocks access to over 5,000 live and on-demand workouts with world-class athletes around the globe.